Hey everyone, Heidi here, and I'm super excited to show you the March kits. They are so gorgeous, and this is I'm so happy about it. So this is from Heidi Swapp's new collection called Color Fresh, and this was one of my favorite collections at CHA. I think you can understand why, because these are my colors. This is how I like to paint. And you know, this kind of paper, this is called Paint the Town. So you get the beautiful mixed media look without having to do the work and getting messy. And the other one, the other side is a nice pink, light pink background with a red dot. Next up we have from Heidi Swapp, Color Fresh. This is called Fine Line. I love this. This is where I want to live here. And I also like the black and white stripes. The other side is this really cool pattern, which if I ignore this green makes me very happy. Yeah, I love this collection. From Maggie Holmes, Sunny Days, her newest collection. This is called Coral, and this side has this interesting pattern, and then the other side is this beautiful paper cream background with this lovely blue floral. From Maggie Holmes Sunny Days, this is called Whimsy, and this side has this gorgeous very sketchy retro floral. Nobody does florals like Maggie Holmes. And then the other side is really simple, very easy to use paper. This is a very light pink, slightly distressed, with a mustardy yellow frame. A specialty paper from Sunny Days. So this has, it's a cream color with this gold foil. And the other side has this pattern. I'm too lazy to take it out of the packaging because my girls are downstairs. They're eating popcorn, so that's why it's quiet. But this is like stolen season, borrowed time. So we'll see. Maggie Holmes Sunny Days. This is called Saturday. This side has this cute dash lines, and then this side has this tone-on-tone hearts. Super cute. Sunny Days, Maggie Holmes. This is called Blissful, beautiful butterflies that are begging to be fussy cut if you are so inclined. And the other side, I really love it. It's not the type of paper that I'm used to using on my layouts, so I'll have to think how to use it, but it's like this photorealistic, I mean, it's just photos. Very beautiful. I think this would be really fun for, you know, those of you that do like traveler journals and all those things. Another gorgeous floral. Maggie Holmes Sunny Days, Apple Blossom. I absolutely love this. And the other side is gorgeous as well. Simple and beautiful little polka dot. Well, it's not little, the polka dots are pretty big. Maggie Holmes Sunny Days. This is called Daisy, and this side has this pretty pattern, and then the other side has a tone-on-tone pink pattern. This is one of my favorite papers in the kit, this one, the Heidi Swapp papers. Maggie Holmes Sunny Days Parasol, and these are just so cute. I've already seen some of the design teams use this paper in really fun ways. It's another one of those papers that just begs to be fussy cut. And I'm happy. These types of papers, I'm super happy. It's a pretty pink polka dot. That's all I need. Another one from Color Fresh. Gorgeous pattern of white and light pink with some distressing here. Really like that. And then the other side has green in it, so we'll just ignore it. If only you were minty or pink or yellow. But I know lots of people love green. That's your issue. And it's a really pretty paper. It's just, you know, it's green. Okay, so let's stay with this one. I absolutely love this paper. The alpha in the kit is this one. It's called Happy Day, and these are glossy puffy stickers, and they're really cool because they have this you know, like sketch lines that make it look like they're dimensional. Very cute. That's the alpha. We also have these summertime glossy puffy stickers with words, embellishments. I love these. These are always a favorite of mine for lazy titles and some more puffy embellishments. We have these super cute paper bow clips. It says here right on the package. All I need to do is read. And of course you can take these apart, which I'm kind of inclined to do so. I love this one. So pretty. So this is from Simple Stories Oh Happy Days collection. Then we have exclusive epoxy stickers from Hip Kit Club, and I just love the colors. We get a ton, 96, and this collection this month, all the exclusive Hip Kit stuff, is called This Beautiful Life, and it was designed by Kim Watson. So there's like the logo of the collection. What else? Save the best for last. It's hard to decide. So this is the ephemera pack, and if you want to see all the ephemera, you can go to Jen Scow's unboxing. It's also on the Hip Kit Club YouTube channel, and you can see it all, but here you can take a look. I absolutely love this. This is so my style, my colors, florals, cute things like cupcakes and cameras and rainbows. I adore this. That's the main kit. If you want more papers, you can get the cardstock kit, and you get 2 of each. So we get a beautiful light pink. This is called Pink Tutu. We get 2 minty, these are called Turquoise Mist, and these are by Basil. These are also by Basil. This dark blue is called Typhoon. This is not the type of color that I use. So what I usually do with these sheets of cardstock, I either back a layout that is buckled or something. If I do mixed media, I will back it on this to flatten it out, or I will use this with my Cameo and cut a stencil from using the cut files. We get cut files every month, so that's what I would use, the color that I'm not too crazy about. This is Basil White. This is yellow. It doesn't have a name on it. And this is Basil Marshmallow, which is a very, very thick cardstock. If you want more pattern paper, you should get the pattern paper kit, which has all the papers in the main kit, which we've already seen. Let's move on to the embellishment kit. It's very good. It's very, very good. So we have, in the embellishment kit, we have these alphas. They are called Color Fresh chipboard stickers. I'm guessing these are from the Heidi Swapp collection, and they are gorgeous, super pretty. We have these cute fabric bows from Maggie Holmes Sunny Days, and they are blue and light pink. I love them. We have, oh, this is so pretty. We have exclusive stickers, 46 stickers from Hip Kit Club, and you can see, very pretty. We have Doodlebug washi tape, and this is extremely, extremely shiny. Love it. It's a scallop, in case you didn't see that. It's a nice scallop gold washi. And of course, yay, we get the Maggie Holmes chipboard Sunny Days. I always love Crate Paper's chipboard, and I'm actually happy to look at this and see that there are not a ton of like huge pieces. I never know what to do with those huge chipboard pieces, but this one actually has a lot of more smaller size embellishments, so I'm happy about that. So this is the embellishment kit. Moving on to the color kit. So for the color kit this month, we have 3 mists, and these are the Lindy's Stamp Gang mists. If you're not familiar with these, these are great. I've had these, actually I have a ton of them that I got years ago. They all still work perfectly, and these arrive, I really like how they do this. So you get the powder, all the pigment is inside the bottle, but this is empty. So all you need to do is, there are instructions. It says add warm water to fill line. Let sit 10 minutes, shake before each use. So you just, there's a line here. You can see here, it says fill, and you just add water. And yeah, and then you're ready to go. If you want, you can add it till like the middle, then shake it around a little bit, and then add it all the way to the top. But I've had dozens of these, seriously, and I just fill them with water. I never had any issues. So of course you can't tell the color just by looking at the powder, but this will give you some sort of representation. And we have Cotton Candy Pink, we have Tiffany Lou Blue, and we have Mad Hatter Mint. And I actually have these two, I think, in my stash, so I'll probably just activate this one. It's really nice that they come like this because they can't, you know, explode or spill or anything during shipping. They weigh less, they're very light. So I really like how they come, but just be aware that's how they come. There's nothing wrong, you just have to add the water yourself. And then we get some doilies, which I love. I love doilies. Super happy about that. So that's the color kit. And then last but not least, we have the Project Life kit. So the cards, I will again send you to Jen's video because she shows all the cards. They're very nice. And then we have Doodlebug Jewels, and this is called Bumblebee Assortment, and I love this color. This is like a very orangey yellow. It makes me happy. We have these ephemera from Heidi Swapp, and there's a ton here. You can see all the stuff, tons and tons. So these, some of these are clear, I think, some are foiled, some are cardstock, some are vellum. Lots of possibilities. Ooh, so pretty, so pretty. Okay, we get the stickers from Maggie Holmes' Sunny Days. There are 87 stickers. I always love the Maggie Holmes embellishments. So I'm very glad that we have these. So cute, so pretty. We also have Alphabet from Doodlebug, and these are, in the camera, they look much bluer than they actually do in real life. In real life, they are the perfect mint, and I can see through my, you know, on my screen that they look blue. Well, they're not. They're minty and perfect, and I love the font. Yeah, they smell good also. I don't think I've ever had Doodlebug stickers. I guess the font is called Abigail, and the color is mint, just in case you're wondering. Again, this doesn't look like it does in real life on camera, so just be mindful of that. And puffy stickers. These are exclusive to the kit, designed by Kim Watson. She did such a gorgeous job on these. Look how pretty they are. I love this bow, this floral. Yes, yes, yes. So cute. I think I will have to dig out some summer photos because this kit feels very summery to me, which makes me a little bit sad that it's still cold outside. But thanks so much for watching. Bye.